Reason number one is that you're not coming back. The 214B nightmare. Now, here's the harsh reality. When you apply for a student visa on an F1, the US Embassy assumes by default that you want to stay in the US forever, unless you can prove that you'll return home after studying. And that's how visa officers are trained to think because of this rule called the Section 214B in the US immigration law. The burden of proof is on you to convince the officer that you're just a temporary visitor as a student and not a future potential immigrant. In 2025, with rising concerns around OPT abuse and visa overstays, which to be fair, there's a lot of that going around, this clause is hitting students harder than ever. But what does this look like in practice really? A slight hesitation when asked about your plans after graduation, maybe a vague answer about maybe doing a job in the US, a lack of a strong tie back home as well. Well, all that is all it takes. You might just think that you're just being honest, but to the officer, you just confirm this suspicion, and it is rejected. Here comes the pro tip. Build a compelling return home narrative. Be specific, like my family owns a growing export business in Mumbai, and my goal is to modernize it using the skills that I gained from my MBA in supply chain. That's credible, it's believable, and more importantly, that's what gets you the visa. Now, I'm not telling you to misrepresent yourself or lie over there, but I'm pretty sure no matter what background you come from, you will be able to have a strong narrative of why you'll come back home after your studies in the US.